Hello and welcome. You're watching NewsX. I'm Megha Sharma, and this is day one, phase one of the Bihar Assembly elections. People have come out and started voting already. 7 a.m. is the time when people come out in large numbers. At least they're going to trickle in the early hours, and of course the numbers are going to increase during the course of the day. But let's quickly go across to my colleagues who are spread out in different regions, different districts, constituencies of Bihar, where phase one of elections are taking place in 121 of those assembly seats. Brian is on the telecast with me. Brian is from Musallapur Hart. Anand Singh is also joining me from Sakarwar Tola, which is in Mokama, an important constituency when it comes to the fight between the political parties who are in the fray. Shikha Salaria is also on the show with me. Shikha is in Raghopur right now. Another important constituency, it is an RJD bastion. Shikha, I'm going to start with you. First up, have the people started trickling in already?
The people have started swarming in already, in fact, and as soon as the gates of the polling station opened, I would like my cameraman to show you the number of people who have turned out right at 7 a.m. And in fact, they were lining outside they were queuing up outside the polling station, and they were all eager to enter, but the gates were opened dot at 7 a.m. And now you can see there are females, there are elderly people. There was one particular elderly voter of about 85 years old who was sitting here right behind me from the spot where I'm reporting from, and now he's been taken inside by some polling officials. The poll officials are trying to ensure that there is no hassle for the elderly voters and the women voters, and the women voters are being given priority over the male voters. I would like my cameraman to also show you the number of females that are turning up, and they're also being given an easy passage by the poll officials. So clearly the voters have already started showing their keen interest in voting here. The voting percentage from this constituency has always been higher, and the initial trend suggests that it is not going, that Raghopur is not going to shy away from giving competition to other constituencies when it comes to voting numbers.
Absolutely. We see a lot of women. Are there a lot of youth as well? We see a trend traditionally. It is the elderly who come out in the beginning of the day, and of course we see younger people coming out and voting in the latter half of the day. What's the trend here in Raghopur?
Yeah, so as of now, what we saw, because we arrived quite early in the morning here, what we saw was that the male members and the female members of most families had ensured that they are done with their with the initial chores of the day before 7 a.m. because they were very keen to cast their vote early in the morning, because this is the period when most of the voters feel that it is the best time to cast their vote, and then they can take forward the other chores and activities of their routine and continue with the same. And it is always easier for a villager to ensure that his or her vote is cast earlier in the morning.
Right, absolutely.
I would also like to show you a lot of youngsters here. If you can see, just outside the gate, a lot of youngsters are also waiting, and because the number of voters per booth has been capped this time, and it can only be around 1250 per booth. So the poll officials
I see
are
a lot
also
of children. Obviously, they are excited, perhaps watching the polling process for the first time, perhaps even waiting for their parents who have entered the polling booth in Raghopur here to cast their vote. Shikha, stay on with me. I am also being joined by my colleague Anand Singh. Anand is in Mokama, again an important constituency for the JDU. Anand Singh is battling it out against his contenders from other parties. Anand, what's the scene like on the ground?
Yeah, Megha, look, currently I am in Mokama as you rightly mentioned, and this is the land of Bahubalis where Anand Singh, one of the strong men from the area and the candidate from the Janata Dal United, has been sent to prison because there was murder of Dular Chand Yadav during campaigning over here, and after which the tensions prevailed in this area. And however, now he is also facing Rashtriya Janata Dal, that is the Tejaswi Yadav's party, Suraj Bhan Singh's wife, that is the another strong man, and Veena Devi is the candidate against him. So clearly, it's a battle of Bahubalis, and both the Bahubalis coming from the Bhumihar community of Mokama. So clearly, we are at this polling booth in Sarkarwad Tola, that is the Sri Krishna Middle School, and polling has started. And as you can see, one of the first voter is an elder person who came before 7 a.m. and he has been waiting since then to exercise his right, and now since the polling has begun, so he went inside to exercise his right to vote. And now we can see as of now there is a lukewarm response at this polling booth, especially given the fact that this is one of the high profile booths following the murder of Dular Chand Yadav, after which Anand Singh, the JDU candidate, was arrested. So we have got one
Right,
more.
I also already, hear a lot of commotion. I see people have turned up, and it's 7 a.m. It's early in the morning. It's not just the older generation, but it is also younger people who have trickled in. Anand, stay on with me. I would like you to also speak to the voters who have cast their vote or going to cast their vote here in Mokama. I'm coming back to Shikha. Shikha is speaking to some of the voters who have already cast their vote. Shikha, what are the key issues they are voting for?
By Jaya Kumari ji, she's an elderly voter. We'll talk to her. इनसे बात करेंगे. किस मुद्दे पर आप वोट की हैं? आप वोट करके आ गई, सुबह सुबह आप आ गई यहाँ पे. किन मुद्दों पर आपने वोट किया है? जी, तो यहाँ पे टॉयलेट है, रोड सब बना है?
हाँ, रोड नहीं बना है।
रोड नहीं बना है, और क्या क्या चीज़ है? टूटा हुआ रोड है, और क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं?
आप कहे बोतलियो, आप कहती बताइयो, नौकरी ला कहलियो।
नौकरी की बात, और पलायन भी होता है, लोग छोड़ करके जाते हैं यहाँ से राघोपुर से बाहर?
नहीं, हमसे तो राघोपुर रहता है।
So clearly you can see that jobs have become the biggest issue in this election, and like Jaya Kumari, a senior citizen, was telling me that she has voted for jobs. She's voted on the names of broken roads. She has been complaining that still there are roads which are broken in the constituency, and these are the issues that she has voted on. We can also see that there are other voters as well. आपका क्या नाम है? सुशीला जी, किस मुद्दे पर वोट किया है यहाँ पे? कोई बेरोजगारी, महंगाई, रोड, पानी, किस पर वोट किया आपने?
ना समझ लिया।
पानी वानी है यहाँ पे आता है? वो रोड है?
रोड नहीं है, पानी नहीं आता है।
अच्छा। और नौकरी वोकरी मिली है बच्चों को?
कुछ नहीं।
तो इन सब मुद्दों पर वोट किया आपने? किन पर वोट किया है? क्या सोच के वोट किया? So clearly some women are also shy, but we also have some men. अंकल, किस मुद्दे पर वोट करने जा रहे हैं आप? सुबह सुबह आए हैं?
हम लोग कमल छाप पर है।
अच्छा, तो आप मतलब जैसे रोड होता है, पानी होता है, पलायन का मुद्दा है, बेरोजगारी है, आप किस मुद्दे पर वोट कर रहे हैं?
हम लोग वोट कर रहे हैं मुद्दा पर।
जी, you can see that there is an elderly voter with me. क्या नाम है इनका, बताइए?
कमल।
कमल जी का क्या उम्र है?
85 होंगे।
85 हो गए हैं, लेकिन फिर भी वोट करने आए। कुछ बताएंगे ये किस मुद्दे पर वोट किया आपने अंकल? नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं, आप बताएं किन किन मुद्दों पर वोट किया है? रोड पर, पलायन पर, जॉब्स पर, किस चीज पर वोट हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
यहाँ लालटेन पर हो रहा है।
So clearly you can see that elderly voters are also very enthused and they have come early in the morning to cast their vote. Voting is happening on plenty
Right.
of issues. The issues are
absolutely.
lack of
Shika,
proper
Shika, I'm going
roads.
to come back to you.
There's
I'm also
lack
being
of-
joined by Brian Thomas. Brian Thomas is in Patna. He is at a polling booth in Musalapur Hat. Brian, what's the scene like? I see people behind you. Have they cast their vote already?
Yes, Mega, clearly people have casted their vote and started storming in from 7 a.m. itself. We even had a word with Ratnesh Kushwaha, who's also the candidate from Patna Sahib, who has casted his vote exclusively for Newsec. We'll be talking to them. Sir, आपने मतदान दे दिया, वोट डाल दिया, थोड़ा दिखा दीजिए हमारे दर्शकों को आपने वोट डाल दिया। क्या मुद्दे हैं इसके आधार पे आपने आज मतदान किया है?
रोजगार है और क्या रोजगार और
क्या चाहते हैं बिहार की जनता, क्या उम्मीद कर रही है, क्या बदलाव की उम्मीद कर रही है, क्या चाह रही है कि बिहार में क्या अच्छा हो?
कोई भी बोले मगर रोजगार चाहिए, बिजनेस चाहिए, लड़का चाहिए, कुछ बदलाव होना चाहिए और क्या
सर, आपने वोट डाल दिया?
हाँ, डाल दिया।
एक बार दिखा दीजिए हमारे दर्शकों को। आपके हिसाब से आप सुबह आए, आपने मतदान दिया, सुबह 7 बजे आए, आपके हिसाब से क्या ऐसे
सब ठीक है।
मुद्दा है, कोई मुद्दे है ऐसा जिसको एडजस्ट करना, जिसके आधार पर आज आपने मतदान दिया है?
रोड बनता इधर सबके शिक्षा के लिए किसी के सबके नौकरी लग जाए, नौजवान के बस
रोजगार के लिए
रोजगार होना चाहिए।
डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए, है ना? आपने वोट डाल दिया? आपके हिसाब से क्या ऐसे मुद्दे हैं जिसके आधार पे आप वोट डालेंगे? या
बदलाव कुछ होना चाहिए जनता लोग को भी।
पढ़ाई लिखाई होना चाहिए। सर, आप अपना नाम बता दीजिए, हम लाइव है अभी। आपने वोट डाल दिया?
जी नमस्कार, मैं विकास कुमार मिस्त्री।
विकास जी, क्या मुद्दे होंगे जिसके आधार पे आज मतदान? विकास विकास के अलावा क्या रोजगार का एक मुद्दा होगा? क्योंकि हम लोगों से बात कर रोजगार भी बता रहे थे।
देखिए रोजगार का तो मुद्दा है, नो डाउट, उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है, रोजगार का मुद्दा है। लेकिन इस क्षेत्र में आप खड़ा, इस क्षेत्र से कई लोग रोजगार लेके निकला है, क्योंकि ये युवा का हाव रहा है। आपको मुसल्लापुर हाट जो रहा है, युवा का हाव रहा है। कई पीढ़ी से यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट का माहौल रहा है। मतलब हम लोग के दादे का समय से 200 रुपये में रूम लगता था, करीब 2025 में रूम लगता है। कम से कम 2500 से 3000 रुपये बच्चे लेके आते, मिडिल फैमिली लेके आते रह लेते हैं आप अभी के डेट में। मतलब मान के पर डे का 70 से 50 रुपया बच्चा है। और यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ सा दुनिया का वर्ल्ड का सबसे नामी टीचर खान सर आपका मुसल्लापुर में ही है। सारे कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट मुसल्लापुर में ही है। आप बगल में पटना कॉलेज है, उसके बगल में गंगा घाट है, उसके बगल में जाइए तो अशोक राजा का बंसर सम्राट कुम्हार है। तो यहाँ सब कुछ है, कुम्हार से अखंड भारत का राज हुआ था। और सर, आपके भी जानने का कोशिश करेंगे, आपने वोट डाल दिया या आप डालने वाले? मेरे वोट डाले।
अच्छा, वोट डालेंगे। आपके हिसाब से कौन से ऐसे मुद्दे होंगे जिसके आधार पर आप मतदान करने वाले हैं?
क्योंकि बिहार में और पूरे इंडिया की सरकार में, पूरे भारत और बिहार में जो विकास की लहर चल रही है, उस विकास के साथ पूरा जनता है। और विकास में आप देख सकते हैं कि छोटी बच्ची से लेकर के एक बुजुर्ग तक के बारे में सरकार सोचती है, उस तक काम करती है। तो भाई, जिसके लिए सरकार सोचेगी, जिसके लिए सरकार काम करेगी, तो सरकार के साथ निसंदेह पब्लिक रहेगी। तो इस बार मतदान सिर्फ विकास के नाम पे हो रहा है और सिर्फ विकास के नाम।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Yes, Megha, we had a word with a couple of public who've come here, and yes, they've been highlighting that development is one such issue that they
Right.
will be doing.
So development, ensuring there is progress for the state of Bihar is the reason people have come out right now, or at least some of them are making these statements and giving the justifications for casting their vote for the party that they have picked today. I'm going to ask my colleagues, ask my reporters Brian, Anand and Shika to stay on with us. I'm also being joined by Medha right now from